Joshua, what is the latest from the court proceedings regarding Malami and his son, including the other person?
Well, good afternoon to you, Blessings. I am currently live at the Federal High Court in Abuja, where Justice Emeka Nwite has heard argument from the defendants, particularly the counsel representing Abubakar Malami. That's the person of Paul Daudu, the senior advocate of Nigeria, representing him. Earlier in court this morning, the EFCC lawyer told the court that the EFCC has filed a counter affidavit to the reply of the EFCC to the formal application for bail as filed by Malami's lawyer, and that they are yet to reply on further affidavit and pray the court to grant them more time. This was objected by Malami's lawyer, who told the court that this was just another tactic to delay the bail application hearing and possibly delay the trial. He, however, stood down his counter affidavit to allow the court to take the arguments improper. The court has taken arguments of the defendants, and these were some of the submissions and arguments that the lawyer representing Malami, that's the person of Paul Daudu, made in court. Paul Daudu said that the offenses that Malami is currently accused of are offenses that are not capital in nature, and he is entitled to bail. And secondly, he says that the defendant enjoyed the presumption of innocence until proven guilty by the court. And thirdly, he said the granting bail is at the discretion of the court, and it is only the court that can refuse or grant the defendant bail. And lastly, on the allegation raised by the EFCC that Malami was going to tamper with witnesses, stifle witnesses, and those who are billed to testify in the ongoing trial, the defense counsel, that is the person of Paul Daudu, the senior advocate of Nigeria, is saying that this is a blanket statement, that particulars were not embedded in form of affidavit evidence, pointing the court that this is a fact that Malami was going to tamper with evidences and oppress witnesses, and this should not be respected or held by the court. What is ongoing now is the submission of the prosecution. That is the lawyer representing the EFCC. That is the person of Ian Acho, the senior advocate of Nigeria, who is actually presenting this case before the court on why Malami should not be granted bail. Blessings.
All right, we also understand that there was a brief incident between the officers of the EFCC and the Correctional Services. What more do we know about that?
Well, as you can see behind me currently are some of the officers of the EFCC. They are currently holding forth and in charge of the security arrangements and protocol and who enters or goes outside the court. But what happened earlier, well, we saw a conflict, some sort of conflict between officers of the Nigerian Correctional Service and that of the EFCC. In some sort of struggle of who is going to take over the security of that place. That place is being manned by operatives of the EFCC. They dictate who goes in and who goes out of the court. But what happened this morning was that the correctional facility, the correctional services who are in custody of Malami now, based on the fact that Malami has taken his plea before the court and now is now in the custody of the Nigerian Correctional Facility, they are saying that the security arrangement is their business, and the EFCC is arguing otherwise, that the security arrangement and protocol in this case, as far as the case is concerned, is their business. So they had some sort of spectacle here earlier on, some sort of incident, but it has died down and normalcy has returned. Blessings.
All right, Joshua Imarayi there with the update on the money laundering allegations against Malami and two others. And of course, News Central will keep you updated as the procession or proceedings are in the court.